Hey guys, I missed you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shay Shay. I got pumpkin pie. Oh my god, my shirt is dirty. I got pumpkin pie. I didn't get none for Thanksgiving, and I want some, and I found some, and I'm gonna eat it with some whipped cream.
Bing bong.
And some burps. I'm about to get into this pumpkin pie. I don't know if y'all like pumpkin pie or sweet potato pie. Mind you, I saw sweet potato pie there, but I don't know. I like sweet potatoes, but I don't want to try sweet potato pie. I don't know if that makes sense, but every Thanksgiving I used to eat pumpkin pie with whipped cream on it. And I want some. I don't know if you like that, but I like that. So maybe I could put you on or something. A little from my mouth. That was not fun. Don't people be doing that? All right. But I do want it with... Why did I cut it out? No, we're just going to eat it like this. Ready? Oh my gosh. This is all I wanted, y'all. All I wanted for Thanksgiving was some pumpkin pie with some freaking whipped cream. Cause that is good. Y'all see them little scratches on my wall? Sorry. But what's new, y'all? Y'all know me. I always disappear for a month, come back in a month, disappear for a month, come back for a month. So I've been doing my thing, working out. I got me a trainer, a real trainer this time, not working out with my husband, but look at this little piece I cut out just to eat it. I got me a real trainer this time. Shout out to, I think it's called Action Sport Fitness. That's my trainer. He would not be happy me eating this pumpkin pie right now with this whipped cream. Oh my gosh, but it's so good. Y'all want some? Ooh, baby. I was fiending for that. I'm sorry, y'all. Let's get some burps. That y'all was strong. Help me, please. Help me. Excuse me. That was strong. All right, so then it's the little crust part right here. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm just gonna, yes, and then we'll clean that thing up. I did it so perfectly. I don't know if pumpkin pie goes good with chocolate chico, but we're here now. I forgot to take my pictures, y'all. I was just so excited to eat some pumpkin pie because after Thanksgiving, I went to the grocery store. I went to Safeway. And all they had was sweet potato pie. Why now? We're in December, now you want to give me pumpkin pie? And I bought it. I bought it. Oh, I'm not even supposed to be eating this, but I said, you know what? Excuse me. Excuse me. Somebody outside. I was like, you know what? I might as well record myself eating this. Even though I shouldn't be recording myself eating this, I'm gonna record myself eating this. So, I've been working out. I'm trying to get back on here, y'all. Like, I really am. Actually, I am. I have so many projects that I'm doing right now, like, honestly. But I do have a video for you guys coming that's going to be real good. I'm going to have male guests coming on. We're going to be talking about some interesting things that I personally felt like y'all shouldn't get my opinion just from me. I really want an opinion from a male point of view. So that's coming soon. Excuse me, that one was wet. Oh, excuse me. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna do one more piece. One little tiny piece right here on the side. Okay. So that's coming soon. I have another video that we're gonna do with another guest, a friend of mine, and I'm really excited when she gets on. That's gonna be coming out soon. And then, like I said, it's just give me some time. You know, it's been the holidays. It was my birthday, and then my son's birthday's coming up, and then my husband's birthday's coming up, and then it's gonna be a lot. Okay. It's Sagittarius season. Hey, boo. It's like that. Look at that job. That job look good. That is so good. Tomorrow I gotta work out anyway. I got cardio, so I'm gonna be running. Bro, if y'all do get Topo Chico, you have to get the one with the lemon. It's really lime. It looks like a lemon though. I don't drink no other type of Chico but that one. I've tried the original one. It just don't got that like sizzle like this one does. Woo. Yeah, boys and girls and guys and ladies and I don't know, hopefully no children is watching me. We got some things coming, like for real. I want to say thank you, excuse me, for continuing to support me, to continue to watch my videos, even though I only give it to y'all like every once a month now. You know, back in the day when we first started, baby, I was here every twice a week. Y'all was getting me twice a week. Excuse me. Hold on. I be trying to swallow my air like y'all told me to do, but it don't be working. So yeah, bear with me and thank you so much for all you guys that still stick with me, that watch me, that get your advice from me, that come to me when you're sad and watch my videos. And I actually have people tell me that they come to my page and watch my videos when they're sad, and that's tight. Because I don't be trying to be too funny. I just be funny. If you aren't already, please make sure you're following me on IG. Sometimes I don't be on here that much. So if you ever want to like talk to me, send me a DM, send me a request, or want like a certain food aid or something, please come to my Instagram. That's where I do. That's where I be all the time. If you are in the business of treats and you want baked goods, you want, different type of products, follow my other page. You know what I'm saying? I want you to let me know if you eat pumpkin pie. And do you eat it with? Y'all wish. Do you eat it with whipped cream like I do? Because I honestly don't like pumpkin. All right, let me say I don't like, but I'd rather just eat my pumpkin pie with whipped cream on it. Happy holidays, holidays are coming up. Are y'all ready for that? Oh, I went down my nose. I'm trying to think of what else. Y'all see I'm letting my hair grow back again. I don't know how far I'm gonna go this time. You know, growing my hair is a really an annoying process. I mean, it was cute when I had my hair. I kind of miss my dreads. I'm not gonna lie to you, but you know, I'm not pressed. Excuse me. Let's try to finish this off. I'm not gonna eat no more pie. It's in a vagina. Oh, it looks like Pac-Man. Look. I think that's enough for me. I'm gonna eat this last little piece. That crust is bomb. Okay? Safeway. 10 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie. Mind you, I haven't ate pumpkin pie in so long, but filling on point. Crust, great. Flavor on top of everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a 10 out of 10. All right, we're gonna finish this off, and then I gotta go do some things, okay? I be trying to like down it. No. You guys, do y'all notice that I don't have my necklace on anymore? I swear, the day after Thanksgiving, I don't know what happened. Like, we're cleaning up, and the man's like, you broke your chain? And I'm like, what? Because first of all, we was beefing that day. He was getting on my nerves for something. I don't fucking know. And I was like, what? And I felt I'm like, hold up. Where the fuck is my necklace? He was like, he only found the chain by the trash can. Baby, where's my pendant? Where's diamonds? Who took the diamonds? The girls? I said, girls, where's my necklace? Lena was like, Nyla broke it. I'm like, Nyla, you broke my necklace? She was like, yes. I'm like, what? What? How did I not feel don't break my necklace? Nonetheless, I ain't got it. And I feel naked now. Like, I just got tits with no jewelry. I don't know. That just blew me thinking about it again. Oh, excuse me. Either way, thank you for tuning in, guys. You guys always make my day. I always appreciate you so much that you even stick around just to talk to me. And I talk to you, even though I can't talk to you for real, but I talk to you. You know what I'm saying? So thank you for being you and for loving me for me. Cheers to the week. Have a productive week. Do what you need to do. Love on yourself. I love you. You love me. Let's get together and have a party. Hey, okay? Have a great day. I love you. I've been recording this whole goddamn time. Y'all, listen. I know this is weird. What the fuck was I even talking about? Like, I swear.